critter check here. See how these little fellas are doing. Oh, yep. You guys looking all right. All fuzzy and warm. Yep, all fuzzy and warm. 85 degrees. Yep. Still got food and water. Okay. Well, you guys just chill out there. Behave. Hello, Zena. Incubator here. Up. Got one more hatched out. We got some more pipping. 100 degrees, 85% humidity. Alright. That one looks good. Now I just hope this camera's pointed in the right direction. Well, see if I can lay my glasses down. There. Good Lord, all these critters is out. My mama duck, she's out. She probably want a little feed. Oh, toss a little corn in here and make them happy. There we go. What do you think about that? Well, you better get up here and eat you something, Mama duck. She's sitting on some eggs. I think like 8 or something like that. Yeah, I hear you. Down here on the end, baby has got, yeah, maybe you can see them. She's got 7 or 8 in there. I'm not really sure. She had those yesterday. Alright. I'm not messing with you. I'm not messing with you. Oh. MJ. That's blue. See, I just really don't like you picking me up and holding me. I ain't liking that. Brownie. I don't know about these 2 little black ones. Not sure what I'll end up naming them. Yeah. You don't like it neither, do you? You might as well get used to it. Yeah, you might as well get used to it. What are you guys doing? Good gracious. Look at the babies. Look at the babies. Ain't one ruined. There's one up on top of the box there this morning. Had running circles on top of the box. Hey there, little one. Hey, what you doing? What you doing? Oh, I'm gonna run. Yeah, Mama duck. Hey, Clyde. Winking and blinking. Oh. Hey, what y'all doing hiding in the box? There's 4 in that box. That's a box full of bunnies. There's 7 over here. 5 white ones and 2 black ones. Hey guys. Hey there. Yeah. Y'all just being all friendly and cute this morning, huh? Get you a close up there. Yeah, get you a close up there. Say hello. There's something hiding back in. Oh, that black one, he's in the box there. Here. Oops. Latch that door, keep that door down here. What are y'all hollering about? We're doing them eggs down there. 5, 6. I don't think my shirt pocket's that big. Yeah, I might get them all in there. I just have to remember it to be real easy. Our mama duck's nest. 3, 6, 7, 8. Yep, she's sitting on 8. They should hatch next week. Yep, should hatch next week. Hello there. Yeah, get in there and lay me some eggs. Oh. Get out of here. Hey girl. Hey girl. Let me show you some pretty babies you got in there. She's the mama of the 2 little black ones, the blue one and the brown one. And baby here, she's the one that just had all the 7 or 8 yesterday. Ever how many she's got. I counted 7 yesterday, but it rained this morning and I wasn't gonna get in there fooling with them too much. Hey Nanny. BJ. BJ, yeah, I'm talking to you. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where's my other duck at? But he's in there in the pen. He went back inside. Yeah. Hey Thumper. Hey Thumper. Hey Marshmallow. That's Marshmallow and Thumper there. They just chilling in their little house. Yeah, you're a good boy, ain't you? You a good boy? Yeah? You stick your nose through there? Oh yeah. Hey Marshmallow. Hey Marshmallow. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh. Gotta remember I got this pocket full of eggs. Zena, where'd you go? She said, I run back in the house. She said, I ended up whooping me one of them goats. Her and Nanny don't get along. Nanny tries to headbutt her. And BJ, he just happy as he can be. Zena and him place some. Pretty red oak boards I cut. Gonna be for some floor, and them other 2, I don't think I'm gonna build a table out of them. Here, check the sawmill. While it's not raining so hard. Kind of built me a makeshift rack to stack some lumber up off the ground. I got quite a bit under there. 2x4s, 2x6s, 2x8s, 4x4s, 3x5s. Gotta hurry up and get a top cover built over it. Bunch of pine. 1x4s, 1x6s. Some more 2x stuff over there. Well, 2x and 1x. Oh, under this tarp I got some more of those red oak slabs. Come through and restacked this. This is my not so good pile. All that over there is my good stuff. And then on down over here, there's nothing, just, yeah, halfway decent slabs. Good for building shooting houses and odd and end things like that. And then all the slabs off is down there. The real bad ones down there. Up here, these I just, I save them, cut them up, stack them for firewood. I got a 5x5, 9-foot 6-inch beam there on the sawmill. And if somebody don't shovel a bunch of sawdust, it's gonna be a mess. About where you can't walk through there. Oh, but yeah, that beam right there, I'm gonna cut me one by off the top of it, and then flip it up and split it. And a couple of 2x, and get that stacked. That'll be after all this rain and stuff quits. Got one more big pine log up here. Got 4 or 5 down through there. I got 5 big ones down yonder in the woods that I ain't skidded out. And I got them 2 pines laying there ready to go on the mill. What is it? You smell something there? I think your turtle done run off, didn't it? Your turtle run off? You think there's a mole in there? Gosh, she loves to dig for moles. Let's see if she'll do it. Zena. Zena. Right here. You think there's a mole in there? Well, dig. Yeah. Look in there and see. You smell anything in there? Huh? How about right here? How about right there? You think there's anything in there? Horses, I don't know, I don't smell it. But it's fun to look and check. You see any out in there? I'll have to tie the goats out over here and let them do some more cleaning up here pretty soon. You guys are awful quiet this morning. They're usually making all kind of racket. I guess they happy. Kind of took cool today. It ain't like 72 degrees. First rain we've had in like 3 weeks. It was a dust bowl. They kind of enjoying all this. BJ, hey, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, BJ? Don't really like me petting you. Nibble on that corn. Y'all better get what you want, because them chickens will get after it in a little while. Then there won't be none. You want a weed or a piece of grass? Yeah. There's some of your favorite stuff. Yeah, get that and go with it. Chicken's gonna try to take it away from me. Uh-oh, it hit the ground. You'll have to fight the chickens for it if you don't watch it. Oh, man. Excuse me. Can I come through? I got some water in the creek. That was just in time too, boy. Them little fish was down into nothing but just a mud hole nearly. Well, I just done a little critter check and show you my baby bunnies that was born yesterday. Gather some eggs. Tour through the sawmill and how it was looking. So I guess this will be the end of this video. Everybody take care. God bless. Laters.